Hey, look at that. The snow goes up to the table, and then the table has 2.5, 3 foot of snow on it. How am I gonna clear this out? No grilling for like the next 5 months. It's gonna be brutal. See, the snow is so heavy that we're on top of it. If you go all the way down to the driveway, look how deep the driveway, stand on that, would you? Can you fit in there? That's up to your knees, huh? That's deep, so you could just jump in it and you wouldn't get hurt.
Okay. You're away.
You didn't get hurt, huh?
No.
What happened? Where did you go?
Down here. Help.
Yeah. You're stuck, huh? Uh-oh. That's right, this is comfy.
Yeah, these two.
Except these are not snow pants and my butt is gonna get wet. Are you ready, little man? How you doing, Haz?
Good.
You're doing great?
Yeah. Please don't snow on this.
This video is brought to you by Honda snowblowers. Not really. That'd be cool though. If you check this out, Honda, I could really use like a 35 jet for my Hog Island. You see right there? Yeah. You think about it. Think about it. So I'm pretty spent. You can see it is dark. That took a long time. Although the semi truck is gone. That's new. I had to get the truck free, clean up the end and give him a little tow. Cost me a tow strap, but he floated me at 20. So I consider our deal square. Look at this poor tree. There you go, there you go. Hopefully the 12 we're supposed to get tomorrow does not happen. Although I have a feeling it will. Well, that's okay. No big deal. Because I got a snowblower, people. Yeah! Didn't have one last time there was a blizzard and I made a video, but I got one this time. Let me show her off real quick. Jim, look at her. The Honda HSS 928A. Look at these controls. It's a beast. So I'm already out of breath for the day because I had to shovel my dog a path because he's weird and he'll only pee and poop in the woods. So I had to dig him a trench so he would get all the way to the woods. And that's when I saw the rail. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna be making barbecue this year. I'm about to show you why. My poor table and grill area is under a drift because of the wind direction. Oh, it's bad. It's real bad. Oh. Hey, look at that. The snow goes up to the table, and then the table has 2.5, 3 foot of snow on it. How am I gonna clear this out? No grilling for like the next 5 months. It's gonna be brutal. Don't worry, I won't bore you guys with all the snow blowing today. Although maybe I will pick up the kid and toss him in the snowbank again. Yeah, that's the blizzard of December 14th here, 2022. got it, buddy. Just keep coming. And look up at the roof. You see how the snow comes over the edge?
Yeah.
You gotta be careful because that snow could fall off. You don't want that to fall on you. So walk on that left side. There you go. Walk on this side, buddy. There.
Look, I'm up here.
Watch out, you ready? You stay over there, buddy. Stay over there. Okay, that's a good idea. There. That's deep, dude. How are we gonna grill? Uh-oh, Hez.
What?
Look up. Hang on, dude. Let me knock that down, okay? You gonna stay over there? You gonna stay over there, buddy?
Yep. And help you break it.
Alright, no. Make sure you stand against the house. You ready?
Yeah.
It's in your fort.
Okay, yeah. Don't take my shovel.
I'm not gonna take it.
Swearing. Here, I got it.
Yeah, dude. Welcome to the blizzard of December 14th, 2022. Nice fort, eh? There. Now I got a spot to take fly pictures.
Here's a,
What you
here's a tomato.
a snowmato?
Bye, folks.
Well, I don't want to deprive you guys from the satisfaction of a clear driveway. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, isn't that beautiful? It's beautiful. Do all this work. I got like the longest driveway in the neighborhood. It takes forever to do this. Good old 2.5 foot high pieces of snow. So that tree is in bad shape. I don't know what we're gonna do with these guys. So thanks for joining me on another December blizzard. This is the second video I've made on these weather events. It's supposed to drop 40 degrees in 2 days from now. Be nice sub-zero, you know, -10 in the morning. Make all this turn into hard, crappy ice snow, which will be garbage, but that's Minnesota for you. Yeah, we got all January, February, and March. See what happens. Catch you in the next snowstorm. See ya.